Hello. So through the spring and summer, you'll see various bits of social media from the Rare-Breeding Birds panel encouraging you to get out and look for this species and that species through the breeding season. All of these posts will finish with a plea for you to ensure any records of species on the RBBP's list are submitted to ensure we receive them, so your sightings can help inform the monitoring and conservation of these species. So today I thought I'd talk about how to submit records. Basically, unless you're taking part in a formal scheme such as nest recording for the BTO, working in a raptor study group or participating in a national survey, you should make sure you send your records to the local bird recorder, who will collate this data with others and submit an annual return to the RBBP. To be honest, even if you know your records will reach us via another route, such as a nest record or a Schedule 1 licence return, it's good to also share with the county recorder so local databases are complete as possible. There are a number of ways to submit data to local bird recorders. You can do it directly. Go on the BTO website, there's a list of recorders with emails for all of the UK's recording areas, mostly counties. Alternatively, you could Google the local bird club. Nearly all have websites with details of their preferred reporting routes. Some will have their own web functions for submitting sightings, for example. The other way, which is very simple to do, is via the two main portals for birdwatching observations in the UK, BirdTrack and eBird. Both are totally free to use, allow you to log all of your bird sightings and see and analyse them at a later date. You can maintain your lists in them, for example. You can see what other birders have been seeing, and crucially, they allow you to share your records with local recorders and national organisations. You can input records from home after your birding trips, or you can use the apps on your mobile phone, do it in real time in the field. Crucially, county bird recorders can access this data, so a record of a rare-breeding bird submitted to BirdTrack or eBird will be available to them to be included in their annual return to the Rare-Breeding Birds panel. You don't need to worry about where in the country you are, who the recorder is. BirdTrack or eBird will work this out for you. Equally important, the schemes use filters, so in the breeding season, records of rare-breeding birds are not shared publicly. The other important point is when you submit records by whatever means, make sure you include all the relevant information to help us understand what was happening with the rare-breeding birds you saw or heard. So watch this space for a follow-up post about how to submit good quality records, to submit the best information to help our work and help the conservation of rare-breeding birds. Thank you.